Hello class, I want to show you guys how to fold your fan. Here's one of the fans. I started the process, but I unfolded it. So you have this beautiful fan. So the first thing you do is fold it in half. Okay? Then you take each wing and fold it in half. Fold the other side in half. So now they're folded. The reason for this extension is part of how the item was made. And then now you fold it again. And you fold this side. And then you take one more. Each time though, you're picking only the first item. See that the first fold is what you're using. And then you fold this. And then the back side, you fold this. Only the first one. And then I know you're going to ask me, well, what about the ones in the middle? These guys. Well, that's the fun part. When you unfold this, then you fold over, this guy. So each time you're going to a micro level of each fold. Okay? That's how you can create the folds without a lot of work. You work on one half, and you have the other half, and then in no time you will have a good piece of fan. See that? So you just have to keep folding it. But you're starting, the original fold is literally just folding it in half. And then you fold the half of the half, and then you fold that, and then you fold that. Hope this video helps you in making a fan out of fans. Take care.